Welcome back to my channel. If you're serious about moving to Canada in 2025, this video is your complete guide to all the new immigration changes, including PR cuts, new student visa rules, and work permit updates. Let's break it all down step by step so you know what exactly to expect. In 2025, Canada is reducing its permanent resident target to 395,000 with plans to bring it down even further in coming years. The focus is now on sustainability due to housing, healthcare, and cost of living challenges. Starting September 2025, international students must show higher financial proof. Not all programs qualify for PGWP anymore. If you are heading to Quebec, expect stricter limits and scrutiny. Canada now prioritizing those already inside the country, like international grads, spouses of workers, and refugees. New open work permit streams are being rolled out, and the economic mobility pathways pilot is expanding. Canada's proposed bill gives border officers greater power and limits claim for people who have lived in Canada for over a year without applying. Some bonus tips to boost your PR chances: improve your IELTS score, apply through PNP or in-demand occupations, track IRCC updates, and act fast when streams open. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for Canadian immigration updates. Your future in Canada starts now.